Verb expressing the past tense. Simple past or past indefinite. This tense denotes the action that got completed in the past. The past indefinite tense is generally used with words ago, yesterday, last, earlier, time, day, date, month, year, etc. Example: I bought a dictionary yesterday. We completed this project a few days ago. He took admission in school in April 2007. However, sometimes an adverb of time is not mentioned in the sentence. In such cases, the time is either hidden or simply expressed through context or reference. Example: Lata sang a sweet song. We waited for you with bated breath. Simple past tense is usually used in the following situations. 1. The action completed in the past. Example: They learned Sanskrit in Gurukul. I received a parcel yesterday. Did they learn Sanskrit at Gurukul? Did I receive a parcel yesterday? They did not learn Sanskrit at Gurukul. I did not receive a parcel yesterday. 2. To express any past habit. Example: She always spoke the truth. Gandhiji never told a lie. Did she always speak the truth? Did Gandhiji ever tell a lie? She did not speak the truth always. 3. To express a state or situation in the past. Example: He was ill. The boys were happy. Was he ill? Were the boys happy? He was not ill. The boys were not happy. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used when an action continues for some time in the past. Example: He was sleeping when I rang him. The teacher was taking the attendance when I entered the class. What were you doing last night? I was completing my maths home assignment. Positive, negative, interrogative. We, you, they. Plural nouns. Were not. He, she, I, it. Singular nouns. Was not. Writing. A letter. Were, was. We, you, they. Plural noun. He, she, I, it. Singular noun. Sleeping. The difference between the past indefinite and the past continuous tense should be clearly comprehended. Past indefinite tense, the action that completed in the past. Past continuous, the action that was going on at a given time. Past indefinite tense, past continuous. Activity completed in the past, activity continued in the past. Ing form of verb was were plus ist form plus ing. 1. Someone rang the bell while I was studying. 2. When I woke up it was raining heavily. 3. Rajan came to my house when I was watching television. 4. I finished my work while you were sleeping. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express an action which has been completed in the past before a particular moment. We use had plus iiird form of the verb in this tense. Example: The peon had rung the bell before I reached the school. The train had left before I reached the station. The train had not left before I reached the station. Had the train not left before I reached the station? Affirmative and negative. We, I, you, they, he, she, it, had not met him. Question: Had we, I, you, they, he, she, it met him? Past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Example: The patient had died before the doctor came. The train had left before we reached the station. I had got ready before Suresh came to me. Usually, this tense is used in sentences with words such as till, already, before, since, etc. In this tense, the use of before and after should be clearly understood. In the sentences mentioned above, two actions happened. The action that happened earlier is expressed in the past perfect, and the action that took place later is expressed in the past indefinite. Some more examples are given to clarify the doubts. I went to see him after I had heard the sad news. I had heard the sad news before I went to see him. We reached the school after the principal had delivered a lecture. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which began in the past and it continued and it was still continuing at the appointed time in the past. Positive and negative. We, I, you, they, he, she, it. Singular or plural noun. Been. Reading. A book. For 2 hours. Interrogative. Had. We. I. You. They. He. She. It. Singular or plural noun. Been. Reading. A book. For 2 hours. Example. She had been drawing a picture for 40 minutes. She had not been drawing a picture for 40 minutes. Had she not been drawing a picture for 40 minutes?